Hello students, welcome to maths class. Children, today I am going to show you a video on jugs and mugs. But before starting today's video, let's recall last video, what we have done in last video. In last video, I have told you a story of Bunny and Banno's wedding anniversary. How they have celebrated their wedding anniversary, and they're called their friends, different animals, isn't it? And they served special dish called kheer to their friends, isn't it? So it was a really interesting story, right? So now today we are going to start with page number 73. So children, open your maths textbook, page number 73, and let's start. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? Children, this answer you have to write by your own, okay? Whether you like or not, that you have to write. And what do you call it at home? That also you have to write. Now next is, how much kheer can you have? So this is purely your answer, how much you can consume, how much you can eat at home, okay? Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? You just try and find out. Now this is a girl and boy. This girl is saying that I think I can drink 1 liter. And this boy is saying I can drink 400 milliliter. So every different person can drink different quantity, okay? So you have to write your own answer. Now let's move into next slide. The donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. As you can see, this is a donkey, and these are the puzzles you have to solve. You have to make 1 liter out of given milliliter. You have to add up, and you have to make 1 liter, or 1 liter means 1000 milliliter, that you know, isn't it? So here is 250 ml is given. Now what smart work you can do? You can do 1000 minus 250, isn't it? Or you can add up one by one in this 250. So let us do 250 plus 250 plus 500. 250 plus 250 is 500 plus 500. That means 1000 milliliter. And 1000 milliliter is 1 liter, that we know. Now next is, these things you also can write in your way also. The sum should be 1000 milliliter. Okay? You can write, but you have to add up these two numbers. 250 is given. So you have to add up two numbers. And then you have to make this 1 liter, means 1000 milliliter. Okay? Now here 200 milliliter is given. You have to make how much? 1000 milliliter. So you have to add up 800 milliliter and 200. So 800 plus 200 is 1000 milliliter. Now here 3 blanks are given, and you have to make 1000 milliliter. So if I will add up 100 milliliter, then 400 milliliter, 100 plus 400 is 500, 500 plus 500 is equal to 1000 milliliter, and that is 1 liter. Now here 2 blanks are given. So if I will take 200 ml, so in 200 I have to add 800 ml. So 800 plus 200 or 200 plus 800 is 1000 milliliter, means 1 liter. Here 500 ml plus 500 ml is equal to 1000 milliliter. This 500 ml is also called as half liter. Half liter plus half liter. Half means 1 upon 2. Okay. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is 1 liter. Now 100 milliliter is given. Now we have to add up more to make 1000 milliliter. So let us add 300 milliliter, then 300 milliliter, then again 300 milliliter. So 100 plus 300, 400, 400 plus 300, 700, 700 plus 300 is 1000 ml. This is also you can write in your way. The different numbers you can add up. But what you have to take care that it should be 1000 milliliter. The sum of these numbers should be 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now let's move to slide. Now look around. Look at these pictures. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like these. Make your own list. Packet and how many milliliter or liter that you have to just guess. Milk 500 milliliter. Then hair oil 200 milliliter. Then cough syrup, that is of 100 milliliter. Then cooking oil, as you can see here, cooking oil is for 1000 milliliter, or you can say 1 liter. Then lemon juice is for 400 milliliter. These are the guess. You can write down your own also. Now my liter bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Yes, I have seen bottle of 1 liter. Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other bottle, small bottles. Now guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottles to fill the liter bottle. See, this is a girl. She is having 1 liter bottle. As you can see, the bottle is very long and big. And in her hand, she is having very small bottle. Okay. So what she is doing? She is filling up the small bottle and then she is pouring the water from the small bottle to the big bottle. Okay. What you have to find out? How many times she poured water from this small bottle to fill up the 1 liter bottle. Okay. So let's see. Now check if your guess is correct and fill the table. Bottles, my guess and my major. We have collected different sized bottle. So let's see for bottle number 1. My guess is 100 ml and my major is also 100 ml. Why? Because I poured 100 ml water. How many times? 10 times in the big bottle. So it become 1000 milliliter. And my guess is correct that small bottle contains 100 milliliter. Now for bottle number 2 is 500 milliliter. And my major is also 500 milliliter. I poured water from the small bottle 2 times in big bottle. So 500 plus 500 is 1000 milliliter, is once again 1 liter. Now for bottle number 3, 50 ml and my major is also 50 ml. Now for bottle number 4, my major my guess is 250 ml and my major is also 250 ml. Bottle number 5, my guess is 200 ml and my major was also 200 ml. Children, this is purely my guess. You can write your own guess also. Guess by your own and write it by your own. But you have to make sure that you have to fill 1000 ml bottle out of it. Okay. Next slide. Look what Adityan is saying. Aditya is saying, I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. As you can see, this bottle is small and this one is big. So what he has done, he poured 2 bottles, isn't it? 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. So whenever you are pouring this 2 bottles for 1 liter, that means 1 bottle is of 500 milliliter. How much water does his small bottle hold? The small bottle holds 500 milliliter of water. Now, to fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water for 5 times from my small bottle. This girl Leela, she is having small bottle in this side, left side, and a big bottle, 1 liter bottle in right side. Okay. So, if she is pouring water 5 times, that means then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? So, Leela's bottle will hold 200 milliliter of water. Why? Because 200 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Understood? So, how much water her bottle can hold? 200 milliliters. Okay. Now Ramu's measuring bottle. As you can see, this is a Ramu and he is having this measuring bottle. What is written here? 15 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 750 milliliter and 1 liter. Okay. So Ramu got an empty 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. He is having empty empty coconut oil bottle. Okay. And look at the picture and discuss what he did to make his big measuring bottle. If he want to fill this bottle, what he will have to do? So let's see. Ramu's measuring bottle is here. Now first of all, what Ramu will do? He took the 250 ml coconut bottle and fill it with water. This bottle. Okay. Now next, he then pour 1 bottle of water in big bottle and mark the water level as 250 ml. He just pour 250 ml of water in this big bottle. Okay. So, and then what will he mark? 250 mark he will make. Then he again pour 250 milliliter of water in big bottle and mark the water level as 500 milliliter. Then he again pour 250 milliliter bottle of water in big bottle and mark the water level as 750 milliliter, as you can see here. And the next is, after pouring 4 250 milliliter bottle of water in big bottle and mark water level as 1000 milliliter or 1 liter, he poured 4th bottle also of 200 milliliter and mark water level as 1000 milliliter, means 1 liter. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.